Yeah, in this second module, you are going to learn all about websites. What is a website? What are the different types of website? And what are the components of website? Why we need website? How to design a website? What are the tools we need to design a website? And at last, you are going to design your own portfolio website. By the end of this module, you are going to design your own website. Okay, what is a website? A website is like your home on an internet. Just like your house, people will find you physically in your house. Your house is the address, and the website is where people can find you digitally. Hope you understood. And what is www? Every website starts with www. www.zomato.com, www.amazon.com, www.youtube.com. So, whatever the website you take, it starts with www. What is this www? You all know the full form of www is World Wide Web. Let me explain. If you think internet like a big infrastructure of a big city, this www is like roads which connect different destinations, or this www is like a road which takes you to your destination, proper destination. Like if you want to check YouTube, or if you want to explore Amazon, or if you want to check the website of Zomato. So this www is like a road for your destination. And now, what are the different types of websites? There are many types of websites, but I will explain you few important types of categories of website. The first one is e-commerce. You all know the e-commerce websites. Nowadays, very few people are going outside and physically going to a shopping complex and purchasing. Many of us will be purchasing our day-to-day products, or any electronic goods, or anything. We depend on the e-commerce websites like Amazon. In this e-commerce website, there are different types of products, many products, and you can shop anything in these e-commerce website. In short, e-commerce websites are like supermarket where you can shop from home. Example, Flipkart, Amazon, Mintra, all these are the examples of e-commerce website. Next one is business website. Business websites are little bit similar to e-commerce website, but this business websites doesn't have different products. We are not going to shop or purchase any products from this business website. Examples of business websites are like clinics, gyms, schools, colleges, institutes. These are all the business websites. In these business web these the web business websites are like online reception desk for those businesses. So we can check their services, we can purchase their services. If it is a clinic website, if it is a doctor's website, we can make an appointment with the doctor, or we can contact them. So everything business related transactions, are very anything business related things we can do with this business website. And next one is blog. Blog is completely different from the business website. Here nobody is going to purchase anything, and nobody is going to sell anything. So it is totally informative website. It is like a personal diary, and that anybody can read, and thousands of people can read your personal diary. So like you can share your travel experience, you can share tips in cooking, or you can give some healthy tips, yoga, anything. So anything which gives some experience to the users is called the website. Is called a blog. Sorry, it's not a website, it's a blog. Websites can have a blog page, but blogs cannot have a website. Black means blogs are the part of, can be a part of website. And another important thing is portfolio website. Portfolio website is like a digital resume website. Generally, if you are going to apply for any job, the first thing you will be doing is submitting your resume, either in Naukari or in Indeed or any other portal, or if you go directly apply for a job for any company, first thing you do is you will submit a resume. This is a digital resume. In this website, you are going to add your if you go for any interview, the first thing they will ask you is tell me about yourself. Or in a resume, first you will use some introduction about you, right? So the same thing you need to talk about you in this website, about me, about us website, about us page. And then your education. In the resume, you will add your education qualification, right? The same way you will add someone section or page in this portfolio website, and then your experiences and your project works and your success stories, achievements, and your means goals or hobbies and how to contact you, everything about you. You can showcase totally your personality in this portfolio website. And we are going to design this portfolio website at the end of this module. Okay. Next type of website is news related website. So these news related websites are like 24 by 7 breaking news drama. They 24 by 7 are up to date. They need to update the information in the website. They are like a news channel in the TV. So these are the news channels in the internet. So they deliver in instant news very promptly. And so these are the different types of websites. Along with that, we have some more categories like entertainment websites like Netflix, Amazon, Aha. These are all different categories. There are a lot more websites, but whatever I told you, these are the main categories of the websites which you can experiment and work on that. And next is, what is the difference between a web page and a website? Web page is a part of a website. A website is a combination of different web pages. For example, later you are going to create your portfolio website. In your portfolio website, you are going to include my experience page or my qualification page. That page is called the web page in your website. Another easy example is, if you take Amazon website, any product page is called the web page, where entire Amazon is a website. Another easy to understand example is Instagram. Entire, if you think in entire Instagram as a website, your profile is a web page. Next, what is the difference between blog and website? A blog is a part of website. We already discussed this, right? So a blog is like uh, telling about the stories, your life story, your experiences stories. So everything, your personal thing, something, a personal experiences, storytelling. And website is like showcasing your services or what you do and how to contact, all these things combinedly is called a website. It like, and another word, a blog is like storytelling, website is like professional connections. And important components of a website. Anyhow, you are going to design your website. So before that, you need to know the important components of website. There are many components, but I'm going to tell you about the five important components. First one is the header, next one is the footer, and third one is the menu, and fourth one is the hero section, and fifth one is the main section. Header section is the header part, the first part of the website. When you open the website, the topmost part of the website is called the header. The header means the header includes the logo, menus, and the important buttons. Logo. Every business will be having some logo. So you are going to place the logo in the header part, and this is the menu. I will tell you about the menu. And any important button like register now. So this is called the header. And next one is the footer. So when you scroll the website to the bottom, scroll the cursor to the bottom of the website, you will see this type of footer for any website. So the footer will be having the important links and important extra information, everything. On social media buttons, here they have mentioned the social media buttons, and here they have mentioned useful links and contact us links, whatever they think they useful in nutshell. So everything will be kept in the footer. And third one is the menu. Menu is nothing but the list of the pages. This is the menu. For example, if you go for a restaurant, they will give you a menu card with different categories, different food items, veg, non-veg, rice, bread, like that, different categories. And under each category, different items. So they will give the menu card because they want to tell you what are the they want to give you the information about the food items available, the entire all the food items available in their restaurant, so that you will get a clear clarity. So in the same way, the menu part in the websites provides you the total list of pages available in that website. Hope you are clear. And next one is the hero section. So this is the hero section. Next to the header, so you will find the hero section of the website. Means the hero section gives a clear information about what exactly does website about. That information will be given to you. For example, here you can see the custom software for modern business. Seeing this, you can get clear information that this website is about some software solutions or some software technologies. Maybe they provide some software solutions for some companies or businesses, or they are giving some training related to softwares which are useful for the business, something related to that. But this is not any restaurant website. So you are going to get the clear information from this hero section. So that is the hero section. And next one is the main part. This is the main section. In this main section, you will be getting all the information about that business and that website. So components of the website: header, menu, hero section, main content, and footer. Header, the header contains your logo and main navigation, that is the menu. And menu, the brain of the navigation, helps users find what they need, list of all the pages. If they want to go click on the contact page, that is available in the menu section. If they want to check the services, that should be available in the menu section. From there, user can easily navigate to that particular section. Hero section, the face of that website, creates the critical first information. The user will get the clear information about that business and about that website. And next is the main content. The heart delivers your core messages and values, all the information about that business. And next is the footer. The feed provides supportive information and additional links of that business, of that website. And okay, so now you learned this much and I explained you this much about the website. But what is the purpose of creating, main purpose of creating a website? First thing is, if you are a business owner and if you are going to sell any products, so you can sell products to your website and you can showcase your skills, and you get jobs from portfolio website, and you get leads for your business, and you can build trust among your customers. And you can grow your brand. So all these things are very much possible from the website. Real example is, today if a doctor or gym or a freelancer doesn't have a website, people will feel like there is something missing or something wrong. Authenticity will be missing. The starting of this topic itself, we discussed, if anybody tells you about any institute or any restaurant, first the thing you will do is you will search on the Google about the information of that institute. If you don't find any website, you will question their authenticity. The same, that is the power of the website. And how to build a website. Very long back, few years back, to build a website is very hectic and very difficult. To build one single website, the person should be very good in HTML or CSS or some other language called Dreamweaver to build a website, and JavaScript or ASP or Java, SQL Server, Oracle. So many coding languages and database knowledge they should have. And it is very difficult to build a website with one single person. We need a big team to build a website. Those days we used to build website, and my team with 10 people, and we divide all the 10 people into different teams, and each team will be working on different modules. So admin module, that team will be working with SQL Server, back end of the website, and a few people will be working with HTML, just designing part. HTML is like front end of the website, and few people will be a few one team will be working with other module. So to work on each module, we used to take minimum 1 month. After completing all the modules, then we will work on integrating all the modules. It is a very very difficult part. Most of the times the integration part will fail. Again we need to work from the scratch, and finally maybe after 3 months or 4 months the website will come to one thing, means at least some part, 90% of the website we used to complete, and again it will go to the client for testing the so many things. But now with many simple tools, we can design a website. Even within 1 day we can design a website, and one person can design the complete website. There are many tools available in the internet, like WordPress, Wix, Canva, Weebly, and so many tools are available. We can just drag and drop, and we can design a website. In olden days, building a website, designing a website is like cooking biryani from the scratch. Now we can design a website like ordering a biryani on Swiggy or Zomato. That much easy nowadays to design a website, and it's very very interesting part. And you are going to learn that one. And what makes a website user friendly? Now these points are very very important for any website. So if you want a very successful website or successful business through the website, then these points are very very important. First thing is, you should load fast. So whenever, for example, if you are trying to open Amazon, if you want to purchase mobile in Amazon, if you're trying to open the Amazon, if it is not loading fast, if it's just loading, and it is taking 30 seconds or 1 minute time, you won't be interested to check that website. You will shift to some other website, some other e-commerce website. Nowadays people, if they don't have any work, also they are very busy, they don't have any patience to wait for your website to load. So the first and very very important thing is, your website should load fast. Within fraction of second, your website should uh, load. So you should concentrate on the speed. The next one is easy to navigate. The all the menu items, all the buttons, all the page names, and everything should be very clear. The new person who is opening the website first time also, that person also should understand very clearly what exactly is the website, from which page to which page he can navigate. From the home page directly he want to go to the contact us and place the order or take the services, you should easily navigate to that page. From the contact page, if you want to check the services page, easily you can go to the services page. So that navigation should be very easy. It should not be clumsy. And clear buttons. All the buttons are very much visible and very clear for the user. Contact us button or call now button or WhatsApp button or fill the form or anything should be very clear for the user for their obvious call to action guide, you call to the action guide or entire website journey for the user. And no confusing menus. As we already discussed, the menu should be very easy to understand. No aggressive pop-ups. Nowadays I remember when I going to this, I found in blogs actually. When I am trying to search for any article, if I want to read any article, news article, and most of the sites, what I see is within two lines, unnecessary distracting pop-ups will come in between those article, and I lose interest to read that article and just close that website. So it should not be like that. Unnecessary distractive aggressive pop-ups should not be there in your website. So you should keep all these points in mind while designing the website or while working with your website. And what is the difference between web design and web development? Web designers are like fashion designers. So they decide the colors, layout, and the total look and feel of your website. What colors to be added to your logo, what colors to be added in your website, and font, everything they will decide. Once they make the decision, next the web developer will design the website. The web developer is like a tailor, so who stitches everything together. So the same way the web developer will work on the website. And next, what is the difference between a dynamic website or a static website? Static websites are like a wedding card, same information for everyone. uh, if a relative for a relative, same information. For a friend, same information. For you, same information. For me, same information. Whoever opens the website, whoever opens the wedding card, the information will be the same for everyone. Dynamic websites are as per the interest of the user or visitor, the content will change. For example, if you open an Amazon and you are searching for mobile phones to purchase a mobile phones or tripod, the Amazon will show you all the product related to your interest. Whatever you are searching related to that only it will show. Same time, if someone else is searching for beautiful saris, jewelries or something, so Amazon will show those product as per the interest of that person. So the content will change from person to person. This is the dynamic website. And what are responsive websites and what are non-responsive website? Responsive websites are like uh, it will adjust the screen size based on the as per the devices. For example, if you open the website in mobile, you will get all the information. The website will adjust as per the screen. You can able to see all the information in that small screen. If you open the same website in laptop, then also you can be able to get the clear information. All the information, buttons, everything will be visible and very clear. And the same website, if you open in the tablet also, everything will be visible. Even if you open in the TV or even in the screen, anything, big screen, anything, the content or the website design will not change. Everything will be very clear and easy to understand. Non-responsive sites are like it will not adjust the size as per the screen. If you open the website in the laptop, maybe the screen, and you may get all the information very clearly. But the same website, if you open in the mobile, you may not get all the information. It will not adjust the screen. Some content will be half of the content will be in the mobile, and half of the content will be missing out of the screen. It will be out of the screen, so it is little bit frustrating. So simple example, responsive websites are like stretchable jeans where you feel very comfortable, and non-responsive sites are like tight jeans, very irritating and frustrating. Build your own website. You are going to build your own portfolio website. Um, One thing is, you all know how to use ChatGPT or Perplexity. Basics, minimum, everybody is using nowadays, right? So take the help of ChatGPT or Perplexity or any other AI. Just be ready with your content. We are going to design your portfolio website, that is your resume website. So put all the information in the ChatGPT and get content for all the pages. Be ready with that. We are going to design a portfolio website in the next topic. So in that, what you are going to do is, you are going to mention who you are and what you have done, what you do, and how to contact you, your goals, and everything. So your portfolio websites are like your digital identity. It gives, trust me, it gives a lot of weightage for your profile. Trust me. And it is like, for example, if Instagram is a rented house, your portfolio website is your own land on the internet. If anyone is serious about freelancing, job, or business, website is a must for them. Even if you are looking for the job, if you want to make your profile strong, portfolio website is must. Your website is like 24 by 7 salesman working for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. The website will never ask you for any salary. It will never take leaves, it will never sleep. Yeah, it will take salary indirectly if it is a paid website. So yeah, we need to yearly, we need to renew that one, renew the domain, and pay some amount for hosting. That part is totally different, that we are going to discuss after you design your free portfolio website. Once you design your free portfolio website, you will get some information about the domain and hosting and everything. After that, I will tell you what is hosting, what is domain, and where to purchase that, how much it will cost, and when you should purchase that one. And after you purchase, the look and feel of the website, what extra tools or extra features you will get in the paid website, everything we are going to discuss after you design a free website. Thank you.